How to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your LinkedIn. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, tap on the profile icon that is on the top left corner. Now tap on the settings on the bottom. After you tap on settings, you will see sign in and security. Tap on sign in and security and you should be on this section. Right there you'll find two-step verification. Tap on two-step verification and tap on setup. After you tap on setup, you will get this pop-up right here. So I'll just tap on yes, it's me. And right here you'll see check your LinkedIn app and stuff like that. So let me just tap on setup again. Now here you can see choose a verification method. So make sure that you have selected Authenticator app. After doing that, tap on continue. And after doing that, you will have to enter your password for LinkedIn. After you type in your password, you will have to just install Microsoft Authenticator app. And after you do that, you'll just have to scan this QR code using the app. Now, if you cannot scan this QR code, what you can also do is you can add the key manually. So right on the bottom, you will find a key, just copy it. And after you copy it, head over to your Microsoft Authenticator app. You can get the app from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you're here, tap on the plus icon on the top and there you will see other section. Tap on other. Now here you can scan it as well, but let's enter the code manually. Now type in your account's name. So just type in your LinkedIn's account and I'll just type in linked and put in your security key that you just copied. After doing that, tap on finish and you're basically good to go. And yeah, that's how you add LinkedIn to your Microsoft Authenticator app, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.